Starting off, this is the homepage of my professional portfolio that I've been working on all semester to complete. This portfolio demonstrates how much I have grown regarding instructional technology by showing the new tools I have explored, as well as how to integrate them into everyday lesson plans. The page that I am most proud of this semester is my online and blended learning page. In this page, I created a 3-day lesson plan around weather data and weather patterns through a HyperDoc. I am proud of this project because I was able to combine my knowledge of all the tools I learned about this semester into one cohesive lesson plan. The page I struggled with the most was the page on blogs. I found EDU blogs to not be as user-friendly as other blog creating tools I have utilized in the past. I learned that some tools require more patience and effort, and sometimes the answer is not always right in front of you. I overcame my challenges by going to other peers to ask for help. While I think there will be an opportunity to use all of the lessons I created in my future, I think I am most likely to use my lesson on basic productivity tools. I believe this plan enhances critical learning by encouraging groups of students to dive deep into each component of a plant. This lesson promotes creativity by having students create a customized poster, newsletter, or brochure through Microsoft PowerPoint. Overall, my biggest takeaway from this course is that time on a technology device is not a waste of time, and that with careful planning, great lessons can be created that promote critical learning while offering personalized learning. I can't wait to integrate these tools into my future classroom. Thank you.